In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use your phone microphone as a mic on your computer. So if you're iPhone or Android user, you can just follow me to do it. First of all, on your computer, open this website, and in this website, select the download page. Here, uh, if you're using Android phone, then go to your Android phone Google Play Store and search for UMic and install the UMic on your Android phone. And if you're using iPhone, the same way, go to your App Store and search for the UMic app and install the UMic app on your iPhone. Now, in here we can see VC runtime for our PC. So you have to download this file. Also, we have to download this UMic installer for our Windows. So once you successfully downloaded this both file, just go ahead and install this both file on your computer. Once done on your computer, launch the UMic client just like this. So this is our UMic client. Now let's jump into our mobile device. Once you successfully install the UMic on your phone, just open the UMic app and tap on start at the bottom left. And here, make sure your phone and your computer are connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Then on your phone, here you get this Wi-Fi address. Now on your computer, click on connection, click on connect, and here select Wi-Fi. And then under this phone IP address box, you have to add your phone Wi-Fi IP address. And then just click on connect. And then your phone and your computer UMic client will be connected. Now all you have to need, click on your computer search bar and open settings. In settings, select system, select sound. Under input device, here you have to select microphone or mic device. And then as you can see, my phone mic is now perfectly working on my computer. And if you want to switch to your computer microphone, then you can select or switch between your phone microphone and your default microphone. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.